Hi, welcome to the short demo version. Today I'll walk you through the core features to let you know how the service works. Let's start with the basic features that will help you to start using short.io. To shorten a link, you need to copy a long URL and paste it here. The service will answer you with the pop-up window. On the link edit window, you can customize your link, for example, the features from the left, and edit a slug, let's say my blog article, add tags, social media, copy link, and share it. Let's observe features from the left, more detailed. Mobile targeting. This feature redirects visitors based on the operating system. You specify two long links for iOS users and from Android users. According to the operating system, a visitor will be redirected to the relevant link. The advantage of the feature is that you have one shared link that redirects to the two relevant long URLs. Campaign tracking or UTM tags provide you with the detailed data about a click. You can specify here source, let's say Facebook, medium, email, and campaign. The advantage is that you have one pretty short link that in fact is long and contains a lot of information. You can track UTM tags both via the short.io statistics and via Google Analytics. Google targeting is similar to mobile targeting, but it redirects visitors according to the location. For example, let's say the visitors from Germany will be redirected to this page. And visitors from the Spain region let's say Madrid, will be redirected to this page. And other visitors will be redirected to the link that you have shortened. You can specify here as many countries as regions as you need. The advantage of geo-targeting is that you redirect visitors to the relevant location, to the relevant web pages based on the location. So visitors from Germany will see the website in German. Visitors from Spain will see the website in their language. Link expiration. Here you can specify date and time when the link will expire, and a new expiration URL to which visitors will be redirected after the previous one expires. Let's see what happens if you don't specify the expiration URL. When you don't specify the expiration URL, your visitors will see the error page that link is expired. Now let's specify the expiration URL, save. Yeah, new page. The advantage of link expiration is that you provide your users with relevant information. So let's go further. Now link cloaking. It hides the long URL in the browser address bar. The feature is useful for hiding the important information on the long link, like for example UTM tags or affiliate codes. Let's try. Yeah, here you can see that there is a short link on the browser address bar. Password protection gives an access to the web page for those visitors who have the password. For example, this one. So we need to enter the password. Yes, now visitors will see the web page, and let's specify the password incorrect. Password is incorrect. Cool. QR code generation. We generate QR code for every short link, so you can download it in 3 different formats for further printing or sharing. A/B testing. Conduct A/B test to determine which web page attracts users more. This is useful when testing a color or call to action of an element of a web page. Here is your original page, long URL that you have shortened, and here you can specify the second page. HTTP status, you can choose the HTTP status by yourself. Here is the default behavior, but you can choose from another. Also, Short.io provides bulk link shortening. In addition to creating links in bulk, you can apply some features. Let's see on how to do that. So, click bulk create, copy template. Now we need to make a copy. You need to paste your API key and your short domain. And now let's paste original URLs. Here is a short list of links. Yes, here is, let's paste pass1, pass2. In bulk shortening are available features such as UTM parameters, link title, iOS and Android links, link cloaking, link expiration, so date and expiration URL, and tags. Let's create links. Great. Now all your links are shortened. Let's check them. Here is all your links. Please note that the first link here is the last link here. Let's go further and observe Short.io statistics. Short.io provides statistics for short links and for domain. Let's observe statistics for a link. Here is the icon. On the Short.io statistics, you can see clicks by human. You can track click statistics. It shows the date of a click and the number of clicks made on that day. Also, you can see operating system, top referrals. It will be the websites from which visitors were redirected, top browsers, and top countries. Also, you can specify date range, for example, today, in order to see the exact number of clicks that were made today. Today were made no clicks. Okay, let's specify custom date range, for example, this one. Great, and we can see statistics for the custom date range. If you hover over the diagram, you will see the date and the number of clicks. In addition, you can choose the time zone. It is helpful if your target audience has another time zone. Also, Shorter provides statistics for domains. Here you can also change date range, time zone, total clicks, and human clicks. Total clicks include human clicks, that's why the numbers are different. Here is also click statistics. We can track the date and the number of clicks, operating system, top browsers, top countries, top cities, top links, which is very useful because you can determine the link that is most that your visitors find most attractive. To broken links, with the help of this block, you can track the links that serve the error page. Top referrals, top social referrals, and top mediums. It is when we are talking about UTM parameters. Short.io provides also Clickstream. The Clickstream serves us the information about every click. So, for example, we can track status and also determine the error pages, browser of a click, referrer from where a visitor was redirected, the methods, user agent, country, and UTM tags. Also, you can manage columns in order to add or remove some values. The advantage is that you can track the detailed information about your visitors and make conclusion about who your target audience are, and of course determine the error pages. Let's go further. Short.io provides a long list of integration that you can use to automate your work. For example, Google Analytics. You need to specify your tracking ID. After that, you can track the statistics of your short links in Google Analytics. For example, here is the example for my short domain. So the advantage is that you can only to set up one tracking ID and then wait, of course, some days until some information will be gathered, and then you can track detailed data in Google Analytics. Segment provides hundreds of apps, mostly analytical, to track statistics. For example, Mixpanel, Amplitude, Heap, so the list is endless. We have a lot of video instructions on how to customize the integration with Segment. I'll leave the link in the video description so that you can test the segment integration. Facebook, Pixel, and AdRoll are apps for retargeting. Retargeting is a marketing tool to show your ads only to those users who have previously clicked a short link. That is helpful as the system shows ads for those who are interested in your service and are potential customers. Deep links, it's the marketing tool that is dedicated for mobile apps. When a user clicks a short deep link, he or she will be redirected to a certain page of a mobile application if the application is installed, and to the browser page if the application is not installed. Now let's start with themes. I'll show you how to add a domain, create a theme, single sign-on. So here is how you can add a domain to Shorts.io. If you have a main website, you can add a subdomain to your website, or you can buy a separate domain via Shorts.io or any domain registrar. I have my own domain, so I will add it. This is empty short domain. Yes, the domain is already active. When a domain is added, you can create a theme. Only users with the theme or the enterprise plan can create themes. So add a theme, let it be demo theme. Let's add team member. Team members can have 3 different roles: admin, user, and read-only. Admin is a team member who can manage members and domains and has full access to link reviewing and operations. User is a team member who can observe statistics and has rights to create, edit, and share links. And read-only is a team member who is allowed to look through statistics and share links. When adding a team member, you can check a box near the See Only Self-Created links so that the team member can see only his or her short links. So add member. After the member was added, he or she receives an invitation letter to the email. So here is our invitation letter. Get started. The team member needs to click get started and specify a password for further login to Shorts.io. When all members were added, you can add a team domain. Here is our domain and add. Please note that team members can use team domain based on the team owner's price plan, and team members can use their personal domain based on their personal price plan. To simplify the way of creating accounts for your team members, you can set up single sign-on. With single sign-on, your colleagues will log into Shorts.io with the corporate email, so no password needed. You need to choose single sign-on provider, let it be G Suite, and specify connection identifier, for example, Shorts.io. It can be a random value, and then create integration. After the integration is created, you need to go to your SAML provider and make configuration there in order to enable a single sign-on. Shorts.io provides API for developers for free for every user. Shorts.io has a developer hub where you can see API references. So you can specify your authorization key, specify needed values, and try API on how it works. Also, we have detailed guides where you can see the detailed instruction on how to install prerequisites for requests, how to launch the file, and the example of JSON response. One more way to shorten links is via a browser extension. Short.io provides extension for Google Chrome and Firefox. Let's set up extension for Google Chrome. To install the Google Chrome extension, you need to click on the install and you will be redirected to this page. Please add to Chrome the extension. And now let's try to shorten links. First, you need to log into your Shorts.io account. The advantage of browser extensions is that you can shorten links without going to the website, just being at the necessary web page. So, for example, here is a domain for shortening, shorten page, customize the slug, save. You can also copy the link. In addition, you can take screenshots and share the screenshots in the form of a short link, what is really helpful. Also, you can customize slug, copy the link. You can change domain for link shortening, let's say this one. And here it was successfully changed. Shorts.io provides applications for Android and desktop application. So you can click here, and if your application is already installed, you can open the application. So here is the Shorts.io logo, so it means that the application works by itself, not from the browser. And some users find it really helpful because they don't need to open the browser, they just need to open the application. The application itself is similar to, not even similar, is the same as the website, but works by itself. Yes, and here are our links from the extension. One more integration Shorts.io provides the users with is integration via Slack. You can shorten links straight from the Slack channel, customize a link and add tags. Let's try it. You need to connect, then choose a channel where you will shorten your links. Select your domain for shortening. So now we see that the integration was successful. Let's shorten this random link. Open our Slack. Now you need to type /shorten your long link, your path, for example, settings, and for example, short.io, it will be my tag, and send a message. The service will answer you with the short link, and also this link will be on your dashboard. Short.io provides Wordpress Plugin. It helps to shorten link automatically for your WordPress blog. So each time you create a post on your WordPress site, this plugin will automatically create a short link for it. Zapier integration is helpful if you want to automate your work in order not to do some things manually. For example, send like messages when your short links were created, or create tweets when a new short link was created. So we have a lot of instructions with various integrations from Zapier. I will leave the link in the video description. If you want to transfer links from one short.io domain to another, or migrate from a URL shortener to short.io, here link import comes in handy. You need to download a CSV file from your current short domain. Let's say it will be this domain. So you need to export links. Then you need to choose the file for import. Then you need to map fields. First, mark first line as a header. Here is link slug. Here is original URL, and here is link title. And choose a domain to which you want to transfer your short links. Let it be short.business, and confirm. Yes, our links was uploaded successfully. Let's check it. Great. Yes, all links are on my dashboard. For today, we've observed all the most important short.io features. So thank you for the attention, and please contact online or email support if you have any question.